Hey there, I want to go ahead and show you MIQ or Masterline IQ. It's a piece of software powered by AI that I built for my family's facilities maintenance business, but I think it could help more businesses beyond that. So this is a sandbox version, and this is the live version. So basically there's two main components right now, and both of them are powered by our back end, our field service management software. You have the customer support portion of MIQ, where MIQ will scan our service email, around the clock, looking for customer questions or concerns or what have you. And then it will process those questions. Like right now, it's processing this question here. And then from there, it will either give it to a human to review, or if it can answer the question based on the data that it has in a work order or just what we program it to be able to have access to, then at that point in time, it could actually go ahead and send emails. Like, for example, it just sent this email right now and this email. And so talking about scheduling, and then so it confirms the schedule works great, and so forth and so on, right? So it could literally just answer all of the emails autonomously, to the extent that it has access to that data, right? So again, right here, telling Todd that we could help out with the urinal leak, again, based on what it knows about our company, right? So that's the live version. Now in the, this is the sandbox version. This sandbox version is different because of the organization that we have here. So we have something that we are going to be calling, so each agent has a program, right, which is basically like a fun word for campaign, where you could start a email marketing campaign. And we'll also add text message, right, so just like, outreach. And so it will go and, basically send out case studies to your leads list, right? So for us, again, our back end is here, right? So this, we could create a case study for Little Caesars, right? And use the images and all of the notes provided here by the technician that was on site. And then go and email our leads list with these case studies, right? You can send, as many emails as you think is healthy per day, right? And then beyond that, right, that's new leads, right? So if you want to bring in new business, you go ahead and do it that way. However, if you want to go ahead and create upsells, right? And by the way, we're gonna this new campaign to target new leads, and what I'm about to show you will eventually be merged into one process. We're gonna make this a little more flexible, but basically, you can create an outreach program, right? By basically prompting the AI, right? So if I wanted to go ahead, you could choose from pre-built stuff, right? Win back old customers, right? So if someone used to hire you but no longer does hire you, feel free to have a campaign around that. Or if you want to grow into a new trade, you can just go ahead and pick these pre-built things. But if you want to say, get more work in, let's go get more electrical. I'm typing in one hand here, so electrical work in Nevada, right? Then you can go ahead and do that, right? So get more electrical work in Nevada. The AI processes it, right? I don't want to come up with a new name, so we'll just name it the exact same thing I typed. And so, like, boom, the AI automatically knows you want to do electrical in Nevada. You can send as many emails as you want per day, and it will go ahead and send those emails, right? Say 100. You could review the batch before it sends, or if you want to trust the AI, you could just trust the AI. This is the people that haven't given us work yet, electrical work in Nevada. So we'll go ahead and target those. This is the strategy that it's providing us here that tells us exactly how it's going to approach this campaign. And then here are some examples of emails that it will send once you approve the program. Go ahead and give it a second to load here. Boom. So again, it tells you, the example here. So, hi Donald, hope things are running smoothly across your Nevada locations. Wanted to flag one thing, we're actively working with your team there. If you have any electrical needs at your site, we already cover alongside plumbing and facilities work we have been doing. Lighting repairs, panel issues, outlets or fixture problems, general troubleshooting, that kind of thing. No need to bring on a separate vendor, blah, blah, right? So basically, we want to work with you in that capacity, right, for electrical. And again, you could change the tone of this, right, based on, how you like to speak to customers. But generally speaking, if you're okay with it, then you could approve and activate the campaign. And everyone who you currently work with that does not give you work in those trades in that state, right, or in that geography, then it will go ahead and email them in perpetuity until they buy or die, right? And the way that we have that is, right, we have this matrix here that basically breaks down and analyzes every job that you've ever received, right? So it will look at, each trade in each state. So for example, Handyman, Arizona, it could tell you that Dick's Sporting Goods gave 137 work orders for Handyman in Arizona, and it blah, blah down the line, right? Jetting in Arizona, same thing here, the customer list, so forth and so on, right? All the way down the line. So based on the gaps that it identifies here, it will go ahead and be able to target very, surgically, right, the right people to message about the right thing, and ideally at the right time, right? So anyways, that is MIQ. Like I said, I built this for my family's facilities maintenance business, and to give you a status update, we have been running this, and it's actually gotten us 2 customers, which is number 1, Toyota through a third party, and then we have Caterpillar direct. Caterpillar is, heavy excavation equipment and bulldozers and stuff like that. And then I think you probably know who Toyota is. So that's how the program works. And again, this is just the beginning, but we would love to, help. So if you know anyone who, would find this helpful or interesting, feel free to give them, my information, have them reach out, share the video with them. And looking forward to talking with you more about this. Hey there, I want to go ahead and show you MIQ or Mashline IQ. It's a piece of software powered by AI that I built for my family.